everybody. I ordered a plant from Home Depot that I saw on another YouTuber's channel, and I thought it was absolutely gorgeous, and I had to have it. I looked everywhere for it, as far as like my local nursery, my local Home Depot, my local Lowe's, and I was not able to find it, but Home Depot online actually had it. So I'm going to show you what it is. We're going to unbox it on here. And I haven't even peeked in here, so I haven't got to see it myself. So I'm pretty excited about this. They taped it really good. Okay. Alright, I'm going to put this down in the chair. Oh my gosh, it's got blooms on it. Hold on. Okay, I'm going to put this down on the ground. I don't want to break it. I probably should have opened this up from the bottom so I could slide this out. Just slide it over it. So, let's do that. Okay, no, that's not going to work. I think I can get this. Let's see. They sent me Proven Winner sent me a little catalog. Okay, before I show y'all what it is, they had it in I think it was a 2.5, maybe, no, it was a 3-quart, no, 3-gallon pot, or I could get it in the 1-gallon. I got it in the 1-gallon because y'all know I'm moving, so I couldn't have it. I'm not going to be planting it. It's going to have to go in a pot. So I'm okay with it being small. I've got time for it to grow. And no point in paying more money if I don't have to. So, okay, they've got a rubber band on this. Oh, one of the blooms just fell off. Yikes, guys. I will show y'all, but it's kind of a mess. But I think it will be okay. Not really the best way to ship one of these things. But it should be fine. Okay, so what this is a Rose of Sharon. And it is called a sugar tip Rose of Sharon. So it's, I don't know if you can see it, but it has the variegated leaves. Oh, this is so pretty. I don't know if y'all can really see. Oop, I just lost another bloom. This one was fixing to go anyway, so not my fault. It desperately needs some water. I looked on the Proven Winners site to see if I could get this, and they didn't have it available online, so I would have ordered it from there. And I know Proven Winners ships their plants a lot better. But yeah, there it is. I'm so excited. It is so beautiful. So I'm going to get this planted up in a pot. And actually, the mums that I planted last night, if you watched the previous video before this one, I had put, it was 4 little orange mums in that pot. I'm actually going to take those out, and I'm going to put them in another pot out here on the back patio, and I'm going to, I stopped at the nursery today and got some sweet potato vine. It's kind of out of season, but I was lucky to find some, but I just think something trailing over that pot is going to look so much better. So anyways, I'll show you that. But yeah, here's the Rose of Sharon. It's so pretty. It's my first one ever. Okay, everybody, we are back up front, and I took out those 4 mums I was talking about and put the sweet potato vine. And what was actually really cool is we got this for free because it was pretty root bound, and our local nursery just gave it to us for free. So I'm all about some free plants. But we finished mulching it, and now you can see it's done. The mulch was a different color. One of the bags were a different color, so it looks a little like there's some light spots. But all in all, I like that a lot better. And that sweet potato vine will grow. They said they just cut them back. So my hopes is it will trail over the pot in a little bit. Okay, we're going back to the backyard. Okay, we're back in the backyard, and now we're going to plant up the Rose of Sharon sugar tip. And if you do remember, I had a peony in here, a tuber, but I dug it up today just to look at it to see the condition of it, and it was really soft and it felt rotted to me. So I'm going to move that into a different pot, and I'm going to plant that the Rose of Sharon in this pot. So I'm going to start off with adding the biotone. Okay. And I watered this earlier, so I don't know. This may be messy. Yep. And that's what happens. I knew that's what would happen. Okay guys, we're back, and I've got her planted. Sorry that I had to close out, but and not show the actual work of getting everything planted, but it's really hard to work and film myself at the same time. But as you can see, it turned out beautiful, and I just love the variegated leaves. And the information, let's see, I've got right here, it is hardy in zones 5 through 9, and it gets 5 to 7 feet tall. And I saw this on another YouTube channel, and I just had a fit over it. Was actually Harmony Hills and Home. She just got one, and I just had a fit over it. Okay, so the mums I put under my son's windmill palm tree, and I think that just looks so cute. I got some little scarecrows I can put in there instead of a hummingbird once I get my fall decor out. I still got to go around digging for that. And as promised, here is the bush. that we're trying to revive. We're hiding it out in the backyard because it's an eyesore right now. Bless its heart. But hopefully we can pull it through. So I'm going to leave you with some video footage of the nursery. Well, actually it's the clearance section at Lowe's that I went to in Nashville today. So it's not the one I normally go to, it's a different one, but they had so much stuff. But I did film that, so I'm going to leave you with that, and we'll see you in the next video, guys. Thanks.